This figure 18-63 deals with sizing the branch circuit conductors to adjustable speed type drive or any type of power conditioning equipment. Now, notice the note states in the illustration, conductors supplying drive systems shall have an ampacity of not less than 125% of the rated input to the power conversion equipment as outlined in 430.122A, and not the horsepower of the motor. It would be the input rating of the drive. So in our step one, sizing the THW copper conductors, THWN copper conductors, step one, we'd refer to 430.122A in Article 430 of the NEC, and the 118 amp input rating listed in the illustration underneath the adjustable speed drive system. We would multiply that input amps by 125%, 147.5. Next step is to refer to the table 310.16, and 147.5 amps would require a 1-aught conductor in the 75-degree column, good for 150 amps. So the solution, 1-aught THWN copper conductors are required after the calculation is performed in step one. And that's exactly what our figure 18-63 is illustrating.